Welcome to Your Mortgage, What to Expect. First, thank you for trusting us with your home loan. We are happy to be working with you and want to make closing fast and easy for you. It starts by understanding the mortgage process better and what you can expect every step of the way, beginning with the initial document review. We may ask you to provide information that is vital to your loan approval, including documents such as pay stubs, W-2s, tax returns, and bank statements. And if you prefer, we can verify this information electronically. Then, to ensure a smooth review by underwriting, remember, don't quit your job, change jobs, or make any major life changes. Avoid applying for new credit, as this can lower your credit score and potentially impact your loan approval. Don't make any large purchases. Soon after, we'll contact you with your rate and product options. We're excited to help get you into your new loan. If you have any questions about the first step of the loan process, please don't hesitate to call.